everybody. So today we are doing some shooting. As you can tell from the aerial view that we just had, that looked pretty good. You want to tell them what you're doing?
Just
setting up the
target. This will be for the 45 today. We'll be shooting 3 different firearms today. An ATI, 12 gauge. We'll be using a short barrel today. Going to be shooting skeet up close, simulated pheasant hunting. So the distance that we'll be shooting at today won't need a long barrel or a high-powered, a higher velocity shell. We'll be using some 2 3/4 target shot. This is basically for a 45. We'll be shooting some what's called service load. It's a
full
copper
metal jacket.
Yeah, full metal jacket, copper jacketed lead bullet. Has good piercing power. We believe that some of the hollow tips seem to be a whole lot more accurate. But again, we're just out here shooting for the fun of it today. We're not protecting our home.
So, well, my dad wants to start off with this. This is a 6.5 by 50 millimeter Aristica. I'm pretty sure I can't pronounce it right. We're gonna be shooting this. As you can see, this is a really abnormal bullet because the bullet itself is over an inch long, which improves its accuracy for massive rifling on it. So let's get started by tucking some targets long range.
Take a walk and see. Shit, fucking rifle symbol. Look at this. Went clean through. Yep. Again, that's open sight. You can see how far the truck is away. I don't know, I don't feel too bad. That's a 2x6. I got it dead on. Again, first time I shot that far. 1 dead shot out of 3 shots to me means not bad.
Victory.
Yes. So I thought I'd see a little more damage on the back of the wood from that tip, but its velocity from that distance is just so high. I really want to see when the kids hit the symbol, so that maybe we could see that lead spread out, that big old lead tip. But it shot through this 2x6. Like it's nothing. It didn't even affect the bullet. Didn't even. It just came out as clean as it went in. Anyway, that'll probably be the extent of me shooting that rifle today. You'll get to see the boys do it. They're a little better than I am, and hopefully we'll get a dead hit on one of these symbols here, so we can see exactly what kind of impact it hits with. Let's hike on back. I don't know if the boys want to shoot that right now or if they want to go to the shotgun and hit a little skeet, or if they want to wait till the sun comes up. Let's walk back and find out what they feel like doing. Thank you for your time. Pull. Pull. Good job. All right, you ready? You hit the stick, I think. Hold. 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 There you go. Hold. Now you're getting